subscribe, like, comment, share, and please, you already know, we are watching me grow. Let's get it. Let's go. Thumbs up. Hello, you guys. I'm back. Hebrews 11:8, word of the day. So I have this old ceiling fan. I have this old vanity light set that I had in my bathrooms for the storm. And so I took it and came up with an idea. Hopefully you can watch. So this is the light fixture I took apart. Now I'm going to be creating my new light set using these pieces off the ceiling fan. I'm going to be painting them black. First I will be drilling off the screws. Yes. And now that I drilled off one of the screws, we're going to be painting it black. Okay, you guys? And so once I paint it, remember, it's always better to use a roll-on to paint on surface like this because it gets the job done and it turned out to be so smooth. So yes, as you can see, I'm painting all around it. I will not be painting the back. So once I'm done with this, I will be letting this one dry. And by the way, thanks for staying so long.
Smoke on the terrace and into the kitchen. I don't want no other way of living. Smile so
Just
big,
making sure I got everything okay.
Nothing can replace the feeling when I'm with you.
We'll be coming back and paint over it for a second time. Now this is the light that I separated from the light fixture, and I will be using it. So I will be using this light fixture on my ceiling fan. And I will be making me a light to go on the side of the window. Watch me work. Yes. My idea, hopefully you guys can try this using old things. You never know. Someone trash can be a treasure. But it was my own trash, and I'm turning it to my treasure. Thank you, Lord, for helping me. Alcohol gets the job done. This is the black paint and the ceiling fan I will be using. This right here is going to be my back pieces so I can hang my things on the wall. This is all I use with my black paint. And this is how it turned out. Oh my God. So tell me, how did I do? Let me go a little closer. I like a ceiling fan and a vanity light set. Bind it together. And this is what I got. So please, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave a comment so I can know that you were there. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so I can send you a video when I upload. And please remember, you are watching me grow. Mwah.